in Railay Beach. On intuition, we went to sit in the restaurant and then decided this could be a cool place, and it's pretty stunning. We've been finally able to do some resting here after a busy week in Koh Phi Phi. And this is my favorite part of the house. Come with me. You have this super cool bathtub, and we've been in it. And so you can be in the bath. You have the most beautiful, beautiful bathroom over here. Ta-da! 2 spaces. You can have for him, and you can have for her, both here. From this angle here, you don't just have this beautiful bath, you can also see the pool outside. We saw the cutest monkey hanging behind the corner, looking around to us. It was so cute. And then there's a shower where you can just walk in and again have this amazing, amazing, amazing nature feel. And then what I also love, it's such a big bathroom, right? So you have this toilet here, and again, the toilet has views on some nature. We have our own dressing. So right there behind the corner, we have 2 sides, all dressing, dressing, all here, here, here. And then this is another full dressing for him.
With a safe.
And a safe, very useful. And then it's not even finished, we have this big office desk where I've done some high priority meetings, which means when I'm on holiday I do the most important meetings. And this is our charging station. Lots of stuff stored.
Is there a particular brand we like?
A brand?
Yeah.
Apple.
3 laptops.
3 laptops. 1, 2, 3. We're pretty set up to do our work. But what I wanted to show you is that there's a mirror. So I've been doing my eyes here. So from here, after we do some work, we always rest or play. On the most comfortable bed. It was really comfortable. And then, that's the main entrance. After doing some lazy time here, or here, or even after some journaling in the morning. So many spaces. You have a whole outdoor space too. This is the pool area, and this is such an amazing feature. You can just go in the pool straight away and go cool down. We haven't really been here much, but so this is a really cool little area if you're into yoga. I did some handstands here. It's just handstand time. Just want to relax a bit on the pool. And my absolute favorite, apart from this pool and this nature, is that there's a whole walkway here. It's just the whole house, even though it's private, but it's full of plants, a little walkway. And more plants. So you literally walk in here and see all this beautiful jungle scenery, green, everywhere in the house. And that's it.